I'm doing this video so when you open that pizza menu in Rome, you know what's what. Yes, the title of the video is 5 unexpected pizza flavors, but they might be unexpected to you. Here in Rome, they are on just about any pizza menu. Best of all, at the end I included a bonus for you, an extra flavor that I can't help but love. So stick around till the end, and if you get any value out of this, you know what to do. Share, like, subscribe. Enjoy it.
Fiori di Zucca e Alici. In all the years, I've never figured whether it's zucchini flowers or pumpkin flowers, but sometimes they just call it fiori, flowers. The other key ingredient here is anchovies, just to give it a bit of a kick. The one I'm having is a thin crust, Roman-style pizza, and rightly so, because we're in Trastevere, a quintessential Roman neighborhood, and also a walking distance from anywhere, so you have no excuse not to give it a try.
It's delicious.
I'm at Pizzeria, close to Piazza del Popolo, and it's a chain, but nothing's wrong with it. Pizzeria is no Pizza Hut. My next pizza is pizza with Nduja, a spicy, fiery hot, spreadable sausage from Calabria in southern Italy. Nduja is made of pork and a lot of strictly local Calabrian chili peppers, hence the dark red color.
Spicy. It was great. Just make sure you get a bigger beer.
And if you thought mozzarella is your only cheese choice for pizza, you're wrong. At least in Rome, that is.
So my friends, this is pizza cacio and pepe, the quintessential Roman ingredients, pecorino and pepper. 2 words, cacio and pepe, you know it's Roman.
Pecorino Romano is the classic here. And yes, if it's the real thing, it's black on the outside.
So the pizzeria is Sant Isidoro and the pizza is Salsiccia e Friarielli.
Sausage and Friarielli. Friarielli is a tasty Italian leafy green with a bit of bitter undertone to it. Gotta eat healthy once in a while. Just to make sure I don't overdo it, there is a sausage bit to it too.
A touch of chili pepper, or pepperoncino if you wish.
Have faith, give it a try. Prosciutto e Fichi. Pizza here comes in all shapes and forms. It doesn't necessarily have to be round. In this case, it's pizza spaccata, cut in two height-wise, and then stuffed with goodies. It's just easier to enjoy it like that.
Great. You gotta have this one next time in Rome. And now, as I promised, the bonus pizza.
Well, you look for our final pizza, but at Lo Zozzone, meaning simply the dirty one. Dirty or not, I'm up to something sweet, and they have exactly what's needed. The pizza with ricotta and chocolate. You've heard well, cheese and chocolate, and it's delicious.
Grazie. So guys, here it is, pizza ricotta e cioccolato.
Usually they top the standard pizza dough with ricotta cheese and grated chocolate, but some places serve it with Nutella, which gives it a bit of that nutty tone. Obviously, you can have pizza ricotta e cioccolato in its round form too, but served as pizza spaccata, it's just a bit less messy. A bit, so have a lot of paper towels ready.